बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सईदा रजा। I am student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Now our topic is math basics. We will discuss math basics. Now we will do addition of variables. You know what is variable? The variable is that thing in which we see letters, but in mathematics like z, y, x. Now please follow the condition. First condition, same variable. Second condition, same power. Now we will do first example. 2x square plus 3y square. Now it is the question. First, see the variable. It is same or not? Same variable. Now see, not same variable. It means it will be not possible. Not possible. Now second question. Second example. Now look. Now we will see the same variable. There is no variable. It means simply it can will not do. It is an answer. That means not possible. Now third example. X square plus 10y square. Now we will see the same variable and same power. First condition of same variable. Now same variable, same variable. You can see y and y. Now same power. Same power, same power. You can see there is same too. That's why it's can possible. We will not disturb the variable and the power. We will write as it is. And we will plus 10 to 2. Now it's become 12. This is the answer. No like, no surprise, but share it. Allah Hafiz.